we will start our final wrapping up session with Ummul Kitab Al-Fatihah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. So now we already ended our training session. So this is the last meeting for us to wrap up all what we have learned. Not what we have learned. I mean to hear the speech from our personnel from Sport Complex, and also we start with that thing. We start with the speech by the personnel, Brother Lutfi, and then followed by the speech by Brother Izzat, team manager for this year Masum 2021. And then after that, each player will be given like 1 to 2 minutes to talk something. Okay, each player will be asked to talk something, and then come to my part. First, I will present the league result, and then I will give my final speech, and that's it for today. So I will give the floor to Brother Lutfi. Okay.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing that we are able to gather here in this wrap up meeting for 2021 Masum Chess Online Tournament. Firstly, I would like to thanks to everyone, to coach, and my utmost appreciation is to all of you guys, the athletes. Congratulations for being selected as the university's varsity athlete. Okay, actually I don't have much to say. What I want to say is just actually university put our trust on you. Okay. We put our trust on you. We really depend on your capability. Okay, even this tournament is fully virtual, but please don't take it easy. I mean, just fight how you used to fight before. Okay, when we look back during our Masum 2020 Masum, okay, we have won bronze. Okay. Alhamdulillah, we have won bronze for the rapid team, right? If I'm not mistaken. So this Masum is not the exposure for you. Actually, for me, it's not an exposure. For me, it is performance. Okay. So when we are talking about performance, we are looking for something in return. Okay. I am sure that our coach, Dr. Wan, have taught a lot of things, a lot of skills, okay, a lot of techniques, a lot of tricks to all of you, and I hope that you use or you apply what you have been taught before, what you have learned before, and in the same time, your discipline, okay, and your commitment towards this Masum 2021 is very appreciated by SDC. Okay, on behalf of SDC, we are very thankful to all of you, and we would like to apologize for any shortcomings for this year. Like no t-shirt, okay, no like previous imbuhan, like, okay, but this year we are still in our war zone. Okay, our war zone is to get the medals. Okay, I don't want to put very high demand actually, but for me to maintain the bronze is good enough, and if you can do more better, please don't take it for silver. Alang-alang mencelup perasam biar sampai ke pangkalan. Okay, so we are targeting gold medal for our team, and I am sure that you can do it. You can strive for the excellence, and what else? We really hope that this Masum this year will produce athletes of IIUM and which have potential to be highlighted internationally. Okay, we hope that you guys will be selected to represent Masum in international event. Okay, for Sukit for the start. Okay, and then we go for further. Okay, and then maybe you can represent Malaysia to the higher level lah. Okay. And then what more? Stay focused. Okay. Target to what you want. Okay. Believe to yourself. Okay. Focus on success. Okay. Think positive and have high confidence. Okay. No matter who you are fighting with, you are contesting with. Just believe in yourself that you can do it. And I think that's all before I end my sharing. Okay. Okay, I would like to convey again lah my appreciation, my utmost appreciation and thank you to our coach and to all of you guys. We hope that this Masum would be the better than before, better than 2020. And if you have any problem, just let me know. Inshallah, I will try to fulfill your request. I think that's all, Doctor, and everyone. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brother Lutfi. So now I will invite Brother Izzat to give his speech as a team manager for this year Masum 2021.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everybody. Thank you to Dr. Wan, Brother Lutfi, and other players. I don't have much to say. Okay, first and foremost, my speech is same as Brother Lutfi, so just take his advice. Just take all of it as advice. Okay. Okay. Secondly, I just want to tell you, if you have any problem or any disturbance during playing, just let me know. Okay, because I will always be on my WhatsApp, or you can just call me if you have anything. I will be on my phone 24 hours. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, I just want to wish you all the best. I hope we'll bring back gold for this Masum, because I expect, because we don't have many more pelapis. So I hope that you will win this time, because we send one of our best team this time. Okay, so that's all from me, I think. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brother Izzat. So that's why, Brother Lutfi, this what we call this lineup this year can be like one of the strongest lah that we ever feel. But considering there are no internet disconnection, we really hope that this lineup, especially for brother, is quite good lah, quite good. That's why I really want at least Ottoman. If let's say you Khalid have a problem, like maybe you can go to the Mecca at least for the one day only, and then you just ni lah, because that's very important. Because after this, Ottoman will Safidin will grad, Mizan will grad, unless they want to do PhD lah, and then siapa lagi, Hafiz will grad. Hafiz, you will grad lah? Hafiz,
I only left I'm 4th year right now.
4th year, yeah. So many people 4th year, and even the sister Nuril, I already like, yeah, Nuril also nearly at the end. Mio still there, but yeah, and the sister, what I want in the what we call in this going forward, the sister team, because the brother team, at least we do the selection before this selection. We do the selection before the lineup is created. There are a lot of brother interested in the nilah games, but sister, they are only like 5, so we need this pelapis lah, the backup for the sister. Okay. Yeah, so now Brother Lutfi, I want to show you the result of the league lah. The result for the leagues. The player also don't know yet. we have played. I mean, normally my style of coaching is that I want the player also practically test, and also I give the theory, and then we analyze. So that's my style of ni lah. Because for me, that playing among them is much more important than the lecture. Lecture is important, but the practical is more important. So all in all, they play. Let me show you. Okay, I will print myself. I make small. So all in all, they have played 132 games. I mean, the total game 132 game. So they are like what we call, each player will play 22 rounds. And I believe this is the longest ever for any of you ever play in a tournament, 22 round, right? Yeah, normally you play maybe like 7 rounds. So let me show you the result. Let me show you the result. Okay, where is the thing? So I make this small first. So I make this thing. So let's see A, and then I will output cross table. Look data. So this is the result. This is, where is my face? Where is my face? Wait. I need to find my face. Where is my face? Where is my face? Oh, here. Okay, so this is the result for what we call, for current Lichess League Masum 2021. So Safidin, Huzaifi and Jamil got the podium. So you give me your bank account. PM me. So that's why you see Khalid number 4. That's why I really want I really want this Khalid to sort of like to be able to play during this, because he's good. He's good. If he's not good, then they are maybe, he's good. So that's why if let's say he lost because this collection, really that's really I want Khalid get ni lah. Faiz and Mio also good. Mizan, okay, for the sister, Mizan leading the way, followed by Nuril, Humahani, and this is our new player, Aisyah and Quratul Ain. So this can be like polished further lah, if let's say, but Quratul Ain also is the final year, Brother Lutfi. Quratul Ain here, the selected also, I think you Quratul Ain, you final year, right? Cool. Are you final year?
Yes, betul.
Yeah, so that's the thing, Brother Luffy. So even the new player also the final year. So that's why for the sister it's quite a vacuum there. So hopefully they are strong player from CFS will enter lah. Yeah. So this is a.
So we are hoping that our club now will do a lot of work lah to this.
Yeah. So that's.
To get new talent.
Yeah, the new talent, because the continuation after this is, now it's okay. Continuation after this, what will happen? Because normally in chess like this, during my time, when I start entering, I'm in the first year. The rest is already, all the team members is 4th year. So when I start playing, I still have the other senior, all senior lah, and I the only one first year. And then when the senior grad, I need to find from scratch, from zero, from I need to find those who don't know how to play at all. I mean, and for the 3 years, nothing happened. So we need to realize also for SDC also need to bear that in mind, that there are times that are vacuum where you cannot win, no matter how good you train, because chess takes time. It's not like chance. Chess is not chance game. So it's every sport is not chance game. It takes time to develop a new player. So for like 4 years until I am 3rd year, only then we have some result, silver or bronze like that. But for the 3rd year, the 3rd year gap is we are always at the back. Same like the staff lah, Brother Lutfi. Brother Lutfi, when I start, Brother Lutfi also see, right, when we start sending our staff team after 10 years never send, we got what? We got like 12 out of 14 the ranking. And then we continue the next year, we a little bit better, 8, I think in the middle. And then the next year we got gold. It takes time. Staff is okay, because if you think staff stay long time, It's like 10 years, whatever. But student 4 years only. So yeah, this is the lineup. The current lineup is one of the strong lah. I mean, yes, last year I think the strongest lah for me. Last year is the strongest. This year is the second strongest. On yeah, we can say on par lah. Yeah, I think last year is strongest for me. That's why we can get this bronze. Yeah, I think it's okay lah. This year is brother can do something. Sister, if Aisyah and Kurato it doesn't make blunder, then I think it's okay. You can go. I mean, I think Aisyah and Kurato I can do lah. Can do well. So what else to say? Okay, so that's for the result. My final say is like this. You stay in the group. Okay, you stay in the WhatsApp group until Masum open. Brother Luffy, you want to say something about Masum open?
Okay, for Masum Open, I have presented during yesterday meeting. We have agreed to send all of you, okay, all of you. So no one will left behind. So please perform better in this Masum, because I have fight with them. They ask me why all, and I said why don't, and I asked why don't. This is open. They during the meeting quite tough juga lah, okay, and then they asked me to stand for myself lah, why I need to stand all, and I said if you don't give this chance, so most of I cakap lah, kebanyakan memang dah nak grad dah tahun ni, so just hantar je lah semua, and then dia cakap okay lah. Dia orang tak okay pun saya akan bagi hantar semua juga. Tak kisahlah, hantar lah.
So you see, you go, people sponsor. It's like people sponsor you. People sponsor you. It's not like if you are going by your own capacity, you pay yourself, then we don't care lah. That's your problem. But now, when people sponsor you, it's like when you bekerja, when you work, people pay for you. It's different. You need to not think about yourself anymore. You need to think about the sponsor also. It's like this. It's like this training. You need to come, even though it's 2 hours. 2 hours is quite. If you think our lecture, we have like 10, more than 10, right? 10 times 2, 20 hours, right? 20 hours is more like one semester course of chess, more or less. If you cut into the 14 weeks, yeah, it's like one semester course of chess. It's quite tiring. Yes, it's tiring. For example, for me, in order to come here, I need to come to my office because for internet stable, and I need to prepare. I need to sleep late in order to analyze your game and so on. So it's responsibility lah. When you are sponsored, you are playing. Don't just play just because I got chance to play, then I just want to play just for fun. No, when you are representing university, it's different mentality. Yes, during the online you don't feel that, but during physical, of course, you have baju semua, that's nice lah. But at least online chess this year still count as a Masum, the official Masum, still count as your star point. So please do your best. Don't leave so that the first thing, please do your best during this Masum, especially for all lah, do your best. Secondly, please don't leave the group, Masum group, Mustang Chess, the one that WhatsApp group, because anything related to open Masum will be given there. And third thing is that you play your game on Monday, okay? The link that I give for the recorded video will be deleted after that. I will make it public, okay? I will make it public because now everything is, because I don't make it public now because I'm afraid other person will see your game and so on. But after the game, it's okay lah. My plan is that after your Masum, I will analyze each of you one game, and I make a video lah. So there are no training. I make a video and I put on this public lah. So I will use your picture that you give to Brother Izzat as a thumbnail. Okay, so just more lah. At least that for preparation for your Masum Open. Your Masum Open, at least you have something lah. But I don't promise every day because the semester will start, so maybe lambat sikit lah. So maybe first game I will analyze Safidin game, only one game lah, and then 3 days later you will see another video. I will inform in the Mustang group lah. Whenever I post, I will inform. So at least that you have something to study lah for your Masum Open. And then I think that's it lah. Any other question? Everyone need to say something lah. I forgot. Okay, everyone say something. Starting with the winner.
Mio. Okay.
Mio, president first. Say something. You need to say something and then we will wrap up.
Yeah, so winner dulu. Alright. Assalamualaikum. My name is Mio Adik Rushaidi. What I want to say is that okay, I try to say in Malay first. Okay. Benda ni berlaku setiap tahun Masum, yang mana player bila habis game, bila diorang kalah, diorang akan start rasa down. Okay, apa saya nak cakap ialah jangan rasa down kalau kalah satu game. Because benda ni akan affect the next game and the next game and the next game. Benda ni berlaku setiap tahun. So kalau kalah, try lupakan dulu game tu, fokus for the next game pula. Kalau nak salahkan diri sendiri, salahkan lepas habis final game. Saya tak nak benda ni affect dekat team. So kalau kalah, lupakan je terus. Kalau menang, nak bangga, nak belagak, ikut suka hati. Sebab saya pun akan buat benda sama. So that's it from me. I wish you all the best and expecting a good result from everyone. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mio. So now we start with the winner first. We will go with the table. Okay, Safidin, the strongest among all. So you are already make yourself, because remember, Brother Luffy, the one that I show you just now, this one, this one is basically everyone play against everyone. Each of player play against each one, regardless they are male or female, twice, black and white. So actually this is the real result lah for me. This is the selection. You play only 7 game and you play any player lah. This is the real result for who are the strongest in UAE and so on. The strongest among the strongest lah, because this is the selected one, and then they play against themselves twice, black and white. So the result here statistically significant lah if you want to go PhD. 132 games, 132 games. That's a lot, and a lot I can do to analyze this later on. There are a lot of can be done lah from this. So this, you see, what you see now is the first time when we combine the selected one in UAE, play regardless you are male or female, brother or sister, play in the pool, each one have the opportunity, and this is the result. Safidin, you will tell your speech. You will say your speech now.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Safidin and you guys know me for Ottoman. I don't have much to say, just sorry, send me. Why Ottoman? Ottoman because I like Ottoman. Okay. And easier to say. And then I don't have much to say, just prepare your game for Monday, and good luck, all the best, everyone. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Safidin. Now we go to Huzaifi. Where is Huzaifi here? Huzaifi, the floor is yours.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Huzaifi. I just would like to say that don't put too much pressure on yourself. For tomorrow, just relax. Don't think about chess too much. Like Mio said, if you lose, just forget your first game and focus on the next game. Because if you put pressure, then maybe you get too nervous and maybe you will miscalculate something. And lastly, just enjoy the tournament lah. Okay, I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, Huzaifi. And next, Faiz, open. Faiz, are you there? If you're not there, then I give the money to somebody else. Not Faiz. Hafiz. Sorry, Hafiz. So next is Hafiz, huh? Hafiz, sorry. Okay, Hafiz.
Okay. Hello everyone. So what I like to say is that during Masum, even though the player have a higher rating than you, it doesn't mean that he is good at that moment, because sometimes it's just what you call, just a name lah, just number. So don't worry, just do your best. We have trained for several days, so just trust in yourself. So I have 0 rating. Okay. That's all I want to say. Don't scared to fight with a higher rating person lah. So just treat it as a normal person. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So thank you, Hafiz. When you play against higher rated player, you don't have pressure much lah. But you don't just play just for fun. Just try to win also lah. By the way, now we go to Khalid. Khalid is not here, so we go straight to Faiz. Okay, Faiz. Where is Faiz? Faiz not here, so we go. Faiz is there. Okay, Faiz.
Alright. So my words is okay. I hope everyone can do the best, all the best for the Masum, and thank you for all of my friend and also Coach Dr. Wan and also Brother Rufi for handling us, and also I want to tekankan untuk minta doa ibu lah setiap kali main, supaya sebab doa ibu tu berkat. Contoh kalau setiap kali round tu minta doa ibu ke semua, sebab doa ibu ni bila berkat ni kadang-kadang buah kalah pun jadi menang kan. Macam tu. Tak lupalah kita pun minta doa untuk diri kita sendiri juga. Cakap bahasa Melayu sebab coach, sebab saya pun tak pandai sangat Singlish.
Okay, boleh je.
Jadi itu saja daripada saya. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you, Faiz. So pray your best. Next, next is who? After Faiz, we have the 6th place, Mizan Izzati, the only sister above the brother. Mizan.
Okay. Yeah, I have nothing much to say. Just give our best during the game and try to minimize mistake. But let's say during the game we make mistake, just stay focused. Don't give up yet, because we play with human, right? So they also tend to make mistake. So just give our best. And let's say we have at winning side. So we need to focus also, because sometimes we tend to overconfident, right? So that is for me actually. So just try to maintain your focus until the end. I think that's all. Oh, one more. Try to sleep earlier before a game, and prepare everything a day before. Okay, that's all I think.
Okay, thank you, Mizan. So Mio done. So we go to Nuril. Okay, Nuril. Where's Nuril? Yeah, Nuril there.
Assalamualaikum. First of all, I would like to thank you to Dr. Wan. Thank you for coaching us, and also to Brother Rupi for managing us, and also Brother Izzat also. Thank you for prepare our go for meeting and all that. So the second one is I just want to say that please take care of yourself, because if you're not feeling healthy, or if you not take care of yourself, so you cannot play well. So that is the most important thing lah. And like the other say, sleep early, eat something healthy food, or sometimes it can affect of your health yet. So I think that's all from me. Thank you, and all the best all of you.
Okay, thank you, Nuril. So now we go to Humo Hani, the winner for previous league for sister. But now Yeah, any comment on that? It's difficult, play against a brother.
Actually, I usually have time trouble. For me, playing 20 minutes is
Oh, okay.
quite exhausting for me. So, in the end game, I try so hard to play and move faster, and I can count properly. So, I make a lot of blunder during end game. I think that's the main reason I cannot play well in the league. And first of all, I want to say thank you for Brother Lutfi and our manager for the help and concern. And thank you also to the coach, Dr. Wan, and my teammate for the great support and guidance for me to improve my gameplay. And inshallah, I will do my best, and I wish we all can do our best, and may Allah is everything for us during the tournament. I think that's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Sister Hani. So now we go to our next sister, Sister Sarah.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you so much for Brother Lutfi. If it's not because of SDC, I think we are not here. Thank you so much for Brother Izzat for managing us, and thank you so much for Dr. Wine. The chess league really did improve my opening and my game lah. So let's do our best. That's all. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Sister Sarah. So now we come to our newcomers, Sister Aisyah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I would like to say my thanks towards our coach for guiding us, and also Brother Lutfi and Brother Izzat for managing us towards this game. And also, I would like to say my gratitude and my full thanks to every members and every teammates, because as I am the newcomers, I did a lot of mistakes and I really want to know and improvise myself. So thank you to all for all the advices and also the guides, if mentally and also by the game. So I would like to wish everyone the best, and I will try my best to win the game. Even though I don't have much expectation on me, but I'll try my best, because I'll try my best. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sister Aisyah. For Brother Lutfi information, Aisyah is still first year, right? You first year, right? So this is the fresh player. So if let's say Aisyah want to sort of like focus on this chess, then she can really be a really strong player up until like when she is like fourth year and so on, like Mizan and so on. Okay, so
Doktor jap.
Yeah.
Wait. Aisyah, you dalam club chess ada terlibat tak?
Baru je.
So I am waiting for next semester you will be the main board lah. Okay. Boleh Presiden boleh Presiden. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so that's Aisyah. So now we go to our last player, our last sister, Sister Qurratu Ain. Sister Qur.
Alright. Thank you for all from the selection, coaching, and team management. Thank you all. So I do believe that everyone will do our best during Masum. So it's just time for us to believe in ourselves that we can do it, inshallah. And all the best to everyone, inshallah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Sister Kur. So what I can take is that tomorrow is your rest day. So please rest. Don't try to just play Blitz or just rest, because if let's say during the game you are not healthy, you are tired, then no use. If you are so good, you're tired, no use. So like Mizan said, please sleep early. Sleep early the day before, because during Demge you have like, if you see here, during Demge you have what? You don't have time. What is the thing? What is the thing? Oh, let me make me pin first. So you can see, you start at 9:20, and then there are rest only 10 minutes, and you have 7 round. That's a lot. That's a lot for one day in front of your computer. So that's why you need to really, for me, now the most important is not anymore about your game, whatever. Your game is okay now. It's just now the side thing about the healthy and so on. So sleep early during the day before the game, and also please tell, if let's say if you are at home, please tell your sibling that okay, today I have the play and so on. So because you don't want the interruption during the play. So that's one thing also lah. And try to test the connection, the Zoom, whatever, before the game. I think they will have this session, right? I don't know. Is that they have session, right? Masum have session, right? To check the Zoom before the game.
Maybe actually tonight, tapi tak tahulah macam mana. Sebab dia tak bagi tarikh yang precise, tarikh yang betul-betul tepat.
Sebab yalah, benda-benda online ni, so you from your side try to prepare lah. And my last word, if let's say Khalid, please Ottoman, you check with Khalid if kalau Khalid ada masalah lah dari segi connection.
Saya WhatsApp dia pun dia tak reply.
Ni pun saya WhatsApp tak reply, takut mungkin dia ada exam ke apa, tapi tak tahulah.
Kalau saya dia tidur gitu.
So itulah sebab yalah, kita kali ni okey main, so harapnya dia boleh ni lah, takut ada apa-apa berlaku nanti je. Saya kesian kat team sebab we remember, you are not playing individual. If you are lost, like Mio said, forget because you are not playing individual. If you are playing individual, up to you. But now you are playing team. That's different, totally different. When you're playing team, totally different. Your loss or your win affect everyone. Okay, so I think that's it from me. Brian Luffy, any last word? Final?
Saya sebenarnya tak berapa faham sangat dengan team game ni. Boleh tak share sikit macam mana cara main team?
Idea dia punya main ni macam ni. Dia akan main Izzat saya rasa Izzat lebih tahu macam mana. Macam mana permainan. Adakah semua orang akan bermain, lepas tu dia yang saya anggap macam ni. Jap saya tunjuk ni Saya tunjuk ni.
Nak saya terangkan ke?
Boleh lah. Izzat lagi senang lah sebab dia, you tahu kan. Okay, mana saya nak cek, mana gambar. Jap, saya nak, mana gambar korang? Banyak sangat ni. Jap, mana gambar? Oh, sini. Okay, Izzat, boleh terangkan sekejap kepada Brian Lutfi sebenarnya macam mana cara main ni? Siapa yang cakap tadi? Izzat
Saya.
Hafiz cakap. Sorry.
Okay, basically dia just main individual. Kita orang akan ada chances yang kita orang akan berjumpa sesama sendiri. Okay, so masing-masing akan fight masing-masing. Kita orang main sistem round robin, dia different dengan kalah mati. So for example, ada 100 orang. So 100 orang tu akan bermain sebanyak 7 round. Diorang tak akan habis round 1, dia kalah, dia keluar tak. So diorang kami habis sampai 7 round. And then by the end of the 7th round, the best 4 from each university will accumulate the point and form the team point lah. So don't worry, even though your point is low, but try do your best to support your teammate lah. So that's how the point calculation the robot. And then for those that can strive for the individual place, the top 3, so please do it lah. Especially if you get the opportunity, please do so. That one will help our team, especially for example, I would say during my first time joining Masum, the team from USM, the one guy is a number 1 seeded in the individual. He got almost full point, but the number 2, 3 and 4, their point is very low. but when accumulate, the team point get number 2. They got silver and then we got the bronze. So don't worry if you get a low point. So just keep playing and do your best. So that's how the point calculation works.
Okay, faham. Baru saya faham.
So best 4 dia ambil best 4. Okay lah. Tapi still saya nak Khalid tu jangan ada masalah. Sebab saya harap apa tu, brother saya harap Ottoman, Ujai, Hafiz, Khalid, Mio sekali. Semualah. Everyone
Semualah. Sister semua sekali.
Semua strong lah, semua strong. Semua strong. Forget about this the result, the thing. That's just for your training only, but everybody is number 1 lah. Everybody is number 1.
Don't worry lah, for the newcomers tu jangan takut sangat lah, just play macam you training jugalah. Tapi jangan relax sangat lah. Relax, kita pergi pantai nanti.
Okay, so hopefully after this there are no more meeting. Okay, anything you can talk in the WhatsApp group. I will give the league snapshot. And then stay in the WhatsApp group until the Masum open, because I might put analysis of your game, make a video analysis of your game, maybe 1 per person before your Masum open start. I will choose the one that that I think interesting lah. Okay, so that's it for today. If anything, please communicate with Brother Izzat, Brother Lutfi, if anything technical lah. Especially during the game, during the day, during Monday. Remember, Monday is working day. So maybe if you are in UAE, internet or so on. Okay, so I think that's it for today. So if there is nothing more, so let me close this Masum 2021 training with recitation of Tasbih Kafarah and Suratul As.